How to log in to Trustco Bank online banking. Kindly begin by opening your preferred and secure web browser on your computer. Navigate to a trusted search engine, such as google.com. In the search bar, type Trustco Bank and press the Enter key. From the search results, please locate and click on the official website of Trustco Bank. Once the home page loads, find and click on the Login option to proceed. On the Login page, enter your username in the User ID field. Then, enter your password in the appropriate password section. To view or hide your password as needed, you may click on the eye icon. If you have forgotten your password, please click on Forgot Password to begin the recovery process. If you are a new user, click on Register to create your online banking user ID. Lastly, click on the Log In button to securely access your Trustco Bank online account.